Today's video is about Komoro City in Nagano Prefecture. A castle town where samurais used to rule. Come spend the day with us on a walking tour of these sites. Right after you exit Komoro Station, you can already hear the festival sounds. This is a beautiful area called Teishaba Garden. It has beautiful little walking paths with cute angels guarding the plants. A charming cafe and store is a must visit. See unique finds by local craftsmen. A few steps away is the Komoro Castle Ruins Park. This is the main attraction in this historical city. These azaleas are very nice looking, don't you think? They are lovely. This park holds 300 years of history. Inside the park, there is a zoo. Great views, nature's beauty, and if you come at the right time, you'll see 500 cherry blossom trees. You'll need around 2 hours to see everything here. Let's explore some more. If you're hungry, you can eat at Teishaba Cafe or at the many restaurants around. I ate a chicken galette today. Yummy! Bentos are popular at festivals too. Tasty pizza with mochizuki cheese. Delicious matcha latte. Oishii matcha latte. Festivals abound all around Japan during spring. It's so relaxing and fun. You can even get a massage. Now let's go explore the 400-year-old Otemon Gate. It's a short 2-minute walk from here. We're here at the Komoro Castle Ruin, Otemon Park. There are old buildings all around here. They are part of the rich heritage of the city. Built in 1612, this gate is the main castle entrance. reached the Otemon gate. This is a very special gate. Let's go check it out. This is the gate from the other side. Beautiful gate. It's an interesting gate. So it's 300-year-old on top and 400-year-old in the bottom. The second floor used to be living quarters. Now it's a museum with free entrance. The guide explained a lot about how unique the castle ruins are. There's even a cafe here. You can take a look. This walkway. There's so many like little niches where you could just enjoy, relax, be in nature. These beautiful wisteria flowers. It's not in full bloom yet, but it's still pretty. The nice thing about Nagano is everywhere you look, there are mountains. During the Edo period, feudal lords passed this road. You can see old structures here that date hundreds of years. This was for an acupuncturist. This is what's inside this old building. The sign says it's being kept alive by donations. We decided to visit the Kumeya Cafe. We thought it would be pricey, but it was surprisingly affordable. It's not only a cafe, but a hotel. Long ago, some of the richest clans in Japan stayed here. They were so kind to show us around. There's a quaint courtyard inside. Imagine staying where the court officials, samurai, and high-ranking officials stayed. I wonder what an Edo period room looks like. It's a beautiful room. Look at this. It's so big. Wow. いくらですか? いくらですか?
お部屋は少々高くなってますけれども、最大6名様まで泊まれて、6人で泊まった場合、1人当たり
It has an old world feel, but has the modern comforts.
お部屋としてお部屋が作られてます。
Wow, so great. Original drawings can be seen on the old cabinets. There's more to see around Komoro, but maybe that'll be for next time. Thanks and subscribe, okay?